Hey Radha, did you attend the firefighting drill yesterday?
Yes, I found it to be very interesting.
The firefighter suggested some tips and preventive measures. I used to think that we should pour water to extinguish any kind of fire, but I was wrong.
Yes, Ria, flames and fires are of different nature. Let us now learn from our teacher about the process of burning.
Hi Radha and Ria, how are you both?
We are fine, ma'am.
Ma'am, we wanted to learn about the process of burning. Could you please explain it to us?
Sure Radha, why not? Let us start from the basics. When you see the charcoal or coal burning, do you find the burning to be same as the candle or the LPG? No, the candle and the LPG burn with a flame but the coal does not. Have you ever thought what makes them burn in different ways? Let us now explore the science behind the process of burning or combustion. Combustion is the process of burning of a substance in the presence of air or oxygen to produce heat and light. Combustion वो process है जिसमें हम कोई भी substance को burn करते हैं in the presence of air और oxygen और वो जो substance है heat and light produce करते हैं. ठीक है? Substances that can be burned are combustible substances, for example LPG and petroleum. These are also known as fuels. And the substances that cannot be burned are non-combustible substances, for example water, glass, cement, sand, etc. Now let us learn about the conditions necessary for combustion. For the combustion process, we should have the presence of combustible substance, the presence of the combustible substance supporting the combustion, that is air or oxygen, and the attainment of the ignition temperature.
Ma'am, what do we mean by the ignition temperature?
Ria, ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which a substance burns or catches fire.
Such as a fire matchstick.
Yes, Radha, absolutely right. The substances that have very low ignition temperature are known as inflammable substances. For example, kerosene and LPG are highly inflammable substances and they catch fire quite easily. Okay, so we already know that for combustion three things are important: presence of the combustible substance, presence of the substance that supports combustion, and attainment of ignition temperature. Therefore, if we can remove any one of them, the fire can be extinguished. The easiest way to stop the fire is to moist the combustible substance so that its temperature comes down below its ignition temperature. That's why the firefighters sprinkle water when they reach the spot of a fire accident.
Ma'am, in case of electrical appliances, we don't use water. So what can we use instead of water?
We should use carbon dioxide instead of that. In commercial extinguishers, we generally use carbon dioxide instead of water to put out the fire. Water is not used in case of fire from electrical equipment as the water may conduct electrically causing harm for the firefighters. The water may also spoil other safe electronical equipment.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Types of combustion. Rapid combustion. Have you seen your mother lighting the burner in the kitchen for cooking? The moment she brings the lighted matchstick or a gas lighter near the burner, the fuel catches fire. This is known as rapid combustion. Spontaneous combustion. It happens due to development of internal heat. Such a type of combustion, in which a combustible material bursts into flames without application of fire or any apparent cause, is known as spontaneous combustion.
Ma'am, is burning of phosphorus in room temperature a spontaneous combustion or a rapid combustion?
Ma'am, I think it is spontaneous combustion.
Very good, Radha, you are right, as it occurs naturally. Okay, explosive combustion. In case of explosion, sudden reactions take place that produce heat, sound and light. It also produces large amount of gases. Explosions are initiated by heat or pressure. Ria, bursting of firecrackers is which type of combustion?
Ma'am, can I answer?
No, Radha, please wait.
Ma'am, it is explosive combustion.
Very good, Ria. Let us discuss about flame in the next class.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
No problem, Ria and Radha. You could leave now.